Engel Industries presents the Compact 2 Coiline, the system that takes coiled sheet metal and produces duct sections in a matter of seconds. The hydraulically actuated hold-down rolls, along with the individual driven hydraulic coil stations, provide for a more positive payoff of material. The new nylon support blocks eliminate the need for future bearing replacement, which is common with other brand duct lines. An additional feature is the easy load drum assembly, which allows faster coil loading without the need of other lift truck devices to assist in the loading process. The multi-grid skate rolls keep materials separated for quick feed and changeover. All controls and features of the system are designed, manufactured, installed, and serviced by Engel Industries, a division of Mestek Machinery, providing total system support. Notching units are made up and actuated by standard hydraulic cylinders. These are designed to last the life of the machine. Notches are sized to provide an extremely small opening to the area, substantially reducing the air sealing requirements. The optional die quickset allows slip and drive to TDF notch depth changes with just a flip of a switch. A low-profile hydraulic shear controlled by the microprocessor guarantees accuracies of plus or minus 20 thousandths of an inch on notch locations, as well as cut length. A high-speed transfer system provides for proper squaring and feeding of the blank into the single-head roll-forming system for the male portion of the lock. A second high-speed transfer system re-squares and feeds, roll-forming the female portion of the lock. Cold sealant is injected during this process to assure cold sealant placement in the bottom of the pocket. Continuing through the system, a cleat edge is formed if called for. If not, it passes through this section into the TDF duplex roll former, forming TDF flanges. As the part exits the TDF roll former, it enters the line-o-matic and pinning system. This system extrudes beads of glue onto the part as it is passed under the gluing heads. It then continues through the line-o-matic, where squaring arms re-square the part prior to the application of the insulation. The patented swing blade cutoff is designed to accommodate both fiberglass and non-fibrous foam insulations. Either Duradyne or grip nail systems can be provided according to the customer's preference. The final piece of equipment in this automated system is the hydraulic brake, with front carriage squaring and positioning for extreme bend line accuracies. The versatile computerized Compact 2 duct manufacturing system from Engel Industries, with the features and benefits designed specifically to cut your labor and material cost, as well as increase your profits with just-in-time production.